feeling lost in a financial forest, overwhelmed by numbers and unsure of your direction. Many of us wander aimlessly when it comes to our financial future. But just like the majestic owl with its keen eyesight, you can achieve financial clarity by setting clear and long-term goals.
Welcome to Nature's Academy, where we learn valuable life lessons from the creatures around us. Today's topic: the owl's long-term vision, setting financial goals and achieving them.
The owl's exceptional eyesight allows it to spot prey from a great distance. Similarly, setting clear financial goals gives you focus and helps you see the bigger picture. Without clear goals, you might be tempted by short-term fixes that don't contribute to your long-term financial well-being. Having a vision board, like a roadmap for your finances, is key. But simply having goals isn't enough. They need to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Setting smart goals, like the owl's focus vision, allows you to zero in on your financial targets and increase your chances of success. Just as there are many different owl species, there are many different financial goals people can strive for. Do you dream of a comfortable retirement, a luxurious vacation, or simply financial security? Identifying your financial owl species, your long-term goal, is the first step. Once you know your destination, you can start planning the journey. This might involve creating a budget, exploring investment options, or consulting a financial advisor. Owls are known for their patience. They can wait for hours, perched on a branch, until the perfect opportunity arises. Achieving your financial goals also requires patience and consistency. Develop a plan and stick to it, making regular contributions towards your goals. Just like the owl patiently waits for its prey, there will be challenges and setbacks along the way. But remember, even the most skilled owl doesn't catch every meal. Don't get discouraged. Learn from your experiences and keep moving forward with your financial plan. Just like an owl takes flight after a successful hunt, celebrate your financial milestones. Reaching a savings target, paying off debt, or achieving a specific investment goal, all cause for celebration. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and reminds you of how far you've come. It also injects a sense of accomplishment into your financial journey. At Nature's Academy, we believe that with clear vision and a well-defined plan, you can achieve your financial goals. We offer valuable tips inspired by the natural world to help you navigate your financial journey with wisdom. Join the Nature's Academy perch by subscribing to our channel for more animal-inspired financial knowledge. We also love hearing from you. Leave a comment below and tell us about your long-term financial goals. What's your financial owl species? Thanks for joining us on this financial adventure. Remember, with the owl's focus vision and a little bit of patience, you can achieve your financial goals and reach your own personal financial forest clearing.